Okay, today is Monday, the 12th of July. It's about 14 minutes before the RTH session open. And it's the ES 60-minute chart. And this is Friday's day session. Took us to the all-time high. And the high of this channel, trend line. Today in the overnight it bounced lower and set up a balance profile with the overnight point of control at 53 on top of the overnight mid. So my expectation for today is slight dip lower and a continuation to the upside, scenario 1, scenario 2. Take out the Friday high and continue to the downside, testing the 46 per week VPOC, 46 somewhere here. Scenario 2. So that's on the 60-minute chart. This is Friday's plans. Scenario 1 for me was we open, we test the overnight, we open, almost at the high of the overnight range, test the VPOC of the overnight session here, and continue higher as scenario 1, get up to 60. 65, 64. That was scenario 1. And that's pretty much what played out. As your Friday in real time. We really didn't test down to the point of control, which at that point had actually shifted up. So we opened the overnight point of control and we went all the way up in a grind, slow grindy motion all day long. Scenario 1, 64. We got to that 64 level. So today, this as I showed on the 60-minute. My scenario 1 is to the upside in blue. We open. My expectation is to test down to the overnight mid, overnight VPOC at around 53. Half, 52 half, 53. Find support, find the base. Take out the overnight high and the Friday session high at 65 quarter. Continue higher to 70. So this is the overnight high. 64, 65. This here is the mid at 53, so 65, and then 70, 75, 80, all the way up to 88, scenario 1. So we have the round numbers, 65, 70, 75, 80, these option strike prices. We have resting liquidity at 76, right there, and above that 80 and 90. Okay, so that was scenario 1. Scenario 2, in green, we open, take out the overnight high, find sellers, and reverse Friday's move by moving from a distribution to distribution. So we have 58, 50, 46. LVNs. It's 58. 58, that's 50. And then 46. That's HVN, 46. 58, 50, 46. Which also is prior week VPOC. Scenario 2. Scenario 3, we had a pretty steep rise after the sell-off. So it's unlikely that we will have another trend up day. So scenario 3 will be a sell-off down to the downside. Down to, we have a gap zone, gap mid, 24. There is your gap zone from 20 to 75 to 28, 25. So that's scenario 3. And scenario 4 will be a trend up day. And that's about it.